Hi guys, it's Liz. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you live in rude. Let's try again. Hi guys, it's Liz. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. So as you've probably seen from the title, I am styling sweatpants. Yeah. So with sweatpants, you can either dress it up or down. So I'm putting together a couple of outfits and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorite videos to do. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun and I hope you enjoy watching it and I hope you find it very helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already done so. Make sure your post notification bell is turned on so you can get notified whenever I do upload a video. Without further ado, let's get right into this video.
They say where I'm from, we like to party all night long. Till 6 in the morning, that's how we do, we pump non-stop. We ain't going nowhere, Hermes here to take us there.
Out, Chris.